This photo could be rejected, but who are we to do that? Don't reject anything. You're on a zero-waste production. The face is just perfect. There's nothing to retouch here. Let's make the skin glow. Everything around the model is awesome. Add the curtain, brush the hair, change the earrings, manifested the texture. Volume appears out of nowhere just like that. I knew we shouldn't reject anything. Nothing goes to waste. Grandpa will finish it and learn Noah Bear, touching in color and media lessons. The mascara is smudged. Am I going to retouch here? No, that's part of the concept. I'll work on the skin a little. Don't worry about it. It will be okay. Color the hand as well. You've got to be really careful with such eyes. They're like beads. Let's add the glow from the inside. We don't need to have texture, but we can. More moisture under the eyes. Obviously, we don't remove any mascara. Everything is where it was, but something's changed. Looks like there's no retouching at all. Tell me what you think. You'll learn all about retouching in Color Moody lessons. See that this wonderful shot has one problem. You'll never guess what it is. First, I need to get perfect skin to see magic in its best form. Now, attention. We're changing the lighting and emphasizing the texture. One more detail left. We remove the unnecessary shades through the eye and emphasize them on the eyelids and recurl the curls, so I adjust the colors in the film color knowledge. If you are impressed, tell me. We are impressed. Wow! You learn all about retouching in color memory lesson. We can get rid of the tape, but I wouldn't actually retouch this photo because it's good. Maybe I'll remove some hairs, touching the under eye creases, secretly fix the flower. Hand didn't match the face. Now it does. This can smooth. Don't touch the texture or the under eye area a bit and darken the eyeliner. Can I draw one lash, please? I want this flower to be juicy. Let's do the same with the lips. If you don't mind, you know what? Let's brush the braid and we can lighten the pupils. Next question is, should we add some highlights? Yes. Let it shine, everyone. Boutique luxury. If you're impressed, say boutique luxury. You'll learn all about retouching in color and video lesson.